So, good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Class 3 English. So, students, as we already know, we have discussed till activity 6th of chapter 5th, the swimming. So, let us continue with activity 7, which is fun with sound words. Some interesting words sounds like the noises for which they stand. Use a different tone of voice when use this sound. The voice becomes louder and more forceful. For example, we will see zoom went the car. Here it is written care, but this is redundant. We must say went the car. So bang went the door. Say the following and write what would make these words or actions. Click, chirp, whisper, bravo, oh, ah, hurrah, alas, wonderful. Here these are with exclamation, means we are just using this with a shock, means we must say a expression like oh, bravo. So let us continue with this. So here chapter 5th activity 7th, let us continue with the answers of the words. Click, we must say went the mouse. Click, we are using a desktop or a PC, and when we use the mouse it is clicking with left or right of the buttons. Click. Chirp, went the birds. We also have seen many times chirping, or we must say chirping of sounds of birds. So went the birds with chirping, we must say. Whisper, went the air with whisper. Bravo, went the boy, we must say. And also oh, went the mother. Ah, went the sun. Hurrah, went the team. We must say when a team wins or won a match, we always say the whole team and hooray, congratulations, hooray, went the team. So here this is making us some sense, we must say. Alas, went the doctor. Wonderful. Wonderful means when we have something, or when we look at something, we go at a tourism place, or we must say, so it is wonderful. Went the Taj Mahal. Here the example is we are taking of Taj Mahal. So now students, here we already discussed activity 7, and now I must say activity 8 is read and enjoy the movie. We must, sorry, it is read and enjoy the poem. Swimming in the swimming pool. When it is not clear, students, the days are cool. Okay, in the swimming pool, when the days are cool, in the swimming pool, backstroke, side stroke, fancy diving too, there's no place I would rather be than in the swimming pool. So here we can say the poem is about swimming all the day and the cool days in the swimming pool, by enjoying with backstroke, side stroke, fancy diving. It is the way of swimming, or we must say a jump of thing, kind of thing. So there is no place in then in the swimming pool. This is about just a poem of swimming. Let us match some words with the actions or the images in the part B. So here, students, let me minimize, zoom out for a while. Okay, so it is now visible. Backstroke, we must say backstroke is in the third image in B. The person who is swimming is in a backstroke condition. In the side stroke, it is picture 1 in part B. And also fancy diving, you may see here diving in a different manner, on in a fancy manner. So we can say that fancy diving is this. So students, by here we can complete this activity 9 also by matching the 3 images with the 3 words. Okay, so let us go to activity 10. Find out what is similar in the poems in the activity 2 and activity 8. Not any two similarities. Discuss them with your teacher and friends. So students, as we know, activity 2 is about a person who always wanted to swim all the day, but his father is not allowing, and he always sees the duck and their family, and by looking at them he is very much jealous of that thing, that my daddy, if my daddy would be a duck, then I will be able to swim each and every minute, or we can say the whole day. So activity 2 means that story was of a boy who always wanted to swim the whole day, and his father is not allowing to swim. He is just comparing with the duck and family, that if he or his father and the family would be a duck, it would be a good. And activity 8 students, as we have discussed right now just 2 3 minutes ago, that it is also of swimming, but he is talking just about the moves, or we can say he is talking about jumping and the way he swims. Like we can see here, backstroke, side stroke, fancy diving, and he would be always rather in the swimming pool. So there is no similarity according to me about the two stories. Yes, the only similarity is that the both of the stories are depending, or we can say the whole poem or story is on swimming topic, swimming, just to swim. So that is the only similarity, and the one is of just moves, the other one is of swimming the whole day, and his father is not allowing to swim. So hereby we complete the activity 10, and also we are completing our chapter 5th by completing these activities. And in the next lecture onwards, we will start with unit 6, which is traffic lights. So thank you students.